A listing agent's journey starts with a consultation. They meet with the seller, understanding their goals and timelines, getting to know every nook and cranny of the property and gathering all necessary documents. It's the foundation of a successful sale, and no stone is left unturned during this initial phase. Next comes property preparation. The listing agent advises the seller on necessary repairs, staging and improvements to maximize the property's appeal. They coordinate with professional photographers for high-quality photos and virtual tours. It's all about presenting the property in the best possible light. Then the listing agent dives deep into pricing strategy. They conduct a comparative market analysis to determine an appropriate listing price. They present these findings to the seller, recommending a competitive price that matches the pulse of the market. Following this, the agent crafts a compelling property description for the listing. They highlight key features and benefits, creating a visually appealing listing that draws in potential buyers. Now, it's time for the marketing campaign. The listing agent develops and executes a comprehensive marketing plan. They utilize various channels from online listings to social media, email marketing and networking. They cast a wide net to reel in the right buyer. Showings and open houses come next. The agent coordinates and schedules property showings for interested buyers. They conduct open houses to showcase the property to a larger audience. As offers start rolling in, the agent steps into the role of negotiator. They receive and present offers to the seller, negotiate terms and conditions, and guide the seller through the decision-making process. Once an offer is accepted, the agent assists in drafting and reviewing contracts. They ensure all necessary paperwork is completed and legal requirements are met. It's all about dotting the I's and crossing the T's. The agent then steps into transaction management. They liaise with the seller, buyer, and other parties involved, like attorneys, inspectors, and lenders. They coordinate necessary inspections, appraisals, and contingencies, ensuring a smooth transaction. Last but not least, the listing agent facilitates the closing process. They ensure all documents are properly executed and funds are transferred. They provide support and guidance to the seller until the successful completion of the transaction. So there you have it. The workflow of a listing agent broken down into clear, easy to understand steps. From consultation to closing, they navigate the complex world of real estate, turning for sale into sold.